Is your front door truly secure? We're diving deep into the Ring-wired Doorbell Pro, Ring's flagship hardwired video doorbell, to uncover if it's the smart security solution your home needs. This comprehensive review offers a balanced, objective look at its features, performance, and value for tech enthusiasts, homeowners, and the security-conscious alike. The Ring-wired Doorbell Pro, formerly known as the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2, stands as Ring's premium hardwired offering. It boasts a high-resolution 1536 PHD plus camera, innovative 3D radar-powered motion detection, and seamless integration with Alexa. This device aims to provide robust front door surveillance and communication. This review will explore its capabilities, real-world performance, and essential considerations. We'll help you determine if this advanced doorbell aligns with your home security aspirations. The standalone Ring-wired Doorbell Pro typically retails around $230. For enhanced functionality, a bundle with the Chime Pro is available for approximately $260. The Chime Pro extends Wi-Fi range and provides in-home audio alerts. The Ring-wired Doorbell Pro is packed with advanced features designed to elevate your home security. Each component contributes to a comprehensive monitoring experience. Let's explore what makes this doorbell stand out. This doorbell records in crisp 1536 PHD+, delivering exceptionally detailed footage. Its unique one aspect ratio provides a head-to-toe view of visitors and packages. This square frame is ideal for capturing everything on your porch, ensuring no detail is missed. The high resolution ensures clear identification, even in challenging lighting conditions. This is crucial for evidence collection and general peace of mind. A standout feature is its 3D motion detection powered by radar technology. This creates a bird's-eye view map of movement, offering precise tracking of visitors. You can define highly specific activity zones, significantly reducing false alerts. This radar technology differentiates between objects and people, enhancing accuracy. It provides a new level of awareness for your property's perimeter. The doorbell offers deep integration with Amazon Alexa, enabling advanced smart home capabilities. Built-in Alexa greetings allow the doorbell to automatically speak to visitors. It can log messages or provide delivery instructions even when you're away. This hands-free interaction adds convenience and a layer of security. It ensures important messages are conveyed without your direct intervention. For reliable performance, the doorbell supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz dual-band Wi-Fi. This ensures a stable connection to your home network. It requires a hardwired 24 VAC24 VDC system for power, with a Pro Power Kit included for installation. Compatibility with your existing home chime is also essential for in-house alerts. This hardwired setup eliminates battery concerns, providing continuous operation, measuring approximately 4x 1.8. The Ring-wired Doorbell Pro features a slim, discreet design. It is built to withstand various environmental conditions, operating reliably across a wide temperature range from 5 degrees Fahrenheit to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Its weather-resistant construction ensures durability. This robust build quality means it can endure diverse climates, offering consistent performance year-round. It's designed for long-term outdoor use. To unlock the full potential of the Ring-wired Doorbell Pro, a Ring Protect Plan subscription is necessary. Essential features like person and package detection, advanced alerts, and video history require this plan. Alexa greetings also fall under the subscription. Plans start at around $5/month, providing cloud storage for recordings and enhanced smart alerts. This recurring cost is a key consideration for potential owners. Beyond the specifications, how does the Ring-wired Doorbell Pro perform in everyday scenarios? User feedback and practical testing reveal its strengths and limitations. Understanding these insights is crucial for an informed decision. Users consistently praise the accuracy and customizability of motion alerts thanks to the radar-enabled 3D detection. This technology significantly minimizes unwanted notifications. One Redditor highlighted its effectiveness for package monitoring. If you're the type that wants to see a package sitting on your porch, get the Pro. The bird's eye view mapping provides unparalleled precision in defining activity zones. This reduces alerts from passing cars or pedestrians outside your property. The 1536p video is consistently clean and crisp, offering excellent clarity. Bright HDR capabilities and color night vision ensure clear viewing of visitors, even in low light conditions. This provides reliable visual evidence day and night. While two-way audio generally works well, some reviewers note that visitor audio can be muffled unless they speak directly into the camera. This might impact clear communication in certain situations. Seamless integration with the broader Ring and Alexa ecosystem is a major advantage. The Doorbell works effortlessly with devices like Echo Show, Ring alarms, and Fire TV. This creates a cohesive smart home security network. The Ring app offers robust controls for motion zones, alert settings, and video playback. While powerful, app ratings are mixed, averaging around 3.3 out of 5, indicating some users experience minor interface or stability issues. Despite being a hardwired device, many users report a straightforward DIY installation process. The included Pro Power Kit simplifies the wiring. One reviewer successfully completed the installation in under an hour in a standard setup. Professional installation is also an option for those less comfortable with electrical work. The clear instructions and included components make it accessible for many homeowners. While highly capable, the Doorbell has certain limitations. AI-based alerts, such as person and package detection, are exclusively available with a subscription. There is no free or local storage option without a higher-tier Ring Alarm Pro plan. Furthermore, the device lacks native support for Google Assistant or Apple HomeKit ecosystems. This might be a drawback for users invested in those smart home platforms. To provide a balanced perspective, here's a concise summary of the Ring Wired Doorbell Pro's advantages and considerations. This overview helps in quickly assessing its suitability for your needs. Outstanding 1536p video with a full head-to-toe view, ensuring comprehensive coverage. Radar-powered 3D motion detection with bird's eye zones for precise and accurate alerts. Alexa native features like Alexa greetings and smart responses, enhancing convenience. Dual-band Wi-Fi and hardwired reliability, eliminating battery concerns and ensuring consistent power. Slim, weather-rated design that fits neatly on most front doors and withstands various climates. Responsive notifications and smooth app control within the integrated Ring ecosystem. Subscription required for key features like video recording, smart alerts, and advanced detection. Audio quality may be muffled depending on visitor placement, impacting two-way communication clarity. No integration with Google Assistant or Apple HomeKit ecosystems, limiting cross-platform compatibility. No local storage unless paired with a Ring Alarm Pro and a higher-tier subscription plan. The Ring Wired Doorbell Pro offers premium security and convenience, particularly for those deeply integrated into the Alexa Ring ecosystem. Its 1536p video, radar-enabled motion alerts, and Alexa greetings significantly elevate its functionality. This doorbell provides a robust solution for proactive home security. However, the cost, both upfront and through monthly subscription fees, is a significant factor. The audio quality and limited ecosystem compatibility, no Google or Apple HomeKit, may also influence your decision. If you prioritize best-in-class detection, polished smart features, and don't mind the subscription model, it's a powerful choice. Conversely, if you seek a more budget-friendly option, a battery-powered alternative, or require multi-platform voice assistant support, other models might better suit your setup. Carefully weigh these factors against your specific home security needs and smart home preferences. Ready to enhance your home security? Consider the Ring Wired Doorbell Pro if its advanced features align with your priorities. Share your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews.